For a medication to work properly, it all lies on strict adherence to doctor's prescription. When you adhere to how doctor told you to use that medication, it will allow the medication to work effectively. So to that regards, we are going to be explaining some of the doctor's prescription terms. For example, 3 times daily, 2 times daily, how you can actually get this time correctly. Now, when the doctor say 3 times daily, it means morning, afternoon, evening, 8 hourly. That is what this means. And how do you get 8 hourly? I will be giving an example of that. This is an example of an 8 hourly prescription. Here, 6 a.m. If you want to get it correctly, when you drop this eye drop 6 a.m. in the morning, when you calculate another 8 hour, you will get 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Another 8 hour will give you 10 p.m. in the evening. By so doing, you have used this eye drop correctly according to doctor's prescription. Another one here that says 2 times daily, that is 12 hourly, which means 6 a.m. in the morning and 6 p.m. in the evening, and that is very correct. We also have the one that says at night. Mostly, it's preferable you use this eye drop 10 p.m. in the night, and that means you are going to sleep, you are going to rest. So immediately you apply it, you go to bed and sleep. This is an example of a 4 times daily prescription. What this means is every 6 hours, 6 hourly, which means when you apply this eye drop 6 a.m. in the morning, another 6 hour is 12 p.m. in the afternoon, you have 6 p.m. in the evening and 12 a.m. at night. This is 4 times daily. When you adhere to this prescription strictly, it will give optimal results of this particular medication.